What's up, guys? I wanted to show you a quick little tour of my new photo room. Yay! So here it is. It's actually in the back part of my house, kind of away from my office, but I got a big beauty dish here, all of my paper backgrounds, my computer, and then I have a Lightbox, which I do a lot of my small photography product shoots with. A little nightstand my husband made, and then I got my soft boxes and carrying case, and then my big backdrop, and then this long little Lightbox sucker, or sorry, soft box, and then I have my alien bees hooked up to my cyber sinks. And then the only thing I'm gonna have to get is a blackout curtain for this, a blackout curtain for this back window, because during the day we get a lot of light coming from there. And then I have my bookshelf. I got a bunch of like umbrellas, my tripod, a couple things up top. And then my cameras. I've actually gotten rid of a bunch of my cameras over the years, just trying to downsize, you know, but I still have my original camera that I bought back in high school. Oh my god, it was so long ago. It was over a decade ago. Gosh, like I think like 15 years, but I didn't have the heart to get rid of it. It is a film camera, and I still sometimes do take film pictures, but I don't really like use it as often, but I figured I'd display it. And then one of my favorite quotes, I love this, sometimes I even get stuck in my own head, and so I felt that was perfect for in here. And then my main camera, a couple of my lenses. I do have not all of my lenses up, I just wanted to put up the ones that I use the most. And then some red flowers. These are actually from some funeral arrangements that I made for my dad when he passed, with my aunt and my sister. I just put it in a pretty little vase my best friend gave me. And then my video camera, all my photography gear and equipment, lighting stuff. And I have some backgrounds. And my bag and my light reflector. And I have my giant Octobox and a pretty little golden mirror in the back. My light box, my kitchen. But yeah, like I am so happy with how it's coming out. I'm gonna add some more like decorations and probably hang up some more photo gear up here. Hopefully hide these ugly wires we had to put up. So, but yeah, I hope you guys like it, and thanks for watching.